Continuing from previous lesson, you can see that I got some circles right here and I have applied dynamic physics on each one of them. So now what happens is that if I were to go to record, then all of them actually come down just like this. They fall upon one another. But let's say I want to make them interactive. So what do we have to do for that? So for that, what we have to do is select the shape which we want to make interactive. So in this case, I'm going to select green. And over here, I'm going to go around and click on dragger modifier right here. So I want to make this object draggable. So by clicking on draggable right here, this becomes a draggable object. So if I were to go to record right here, let's see what happens now. You can see that it falls as normal, but I can click and drag this around just like that. I cannot do that with other items, but you can see that if it affects this out. But as I drag, you can see that it does not fall into the ground. I don't want that. I want it to act as any other object. So for that, I'm going to go around onto the dragger object right here, the dragger behavior, expand it out. And here you can see that right now it is hold in place, just like this. So I'm going to go to return to rest right here. And the return duration is 0.2 seconds right now. So I want it to be instant. So I'm just going to go around and type in 0. So return to rest will be 0. It'll go back to its own state. So as I can go over here and you can see that it acts as if I'm letting go. I cannot do that with any other objects as you can see right here. So let's add in the draggable behavior in the other objects as well. So there's draggable right here on this one, draggable right here on this one, draggable on this one, and then on this one, draggable, and then draggable. So now what happens is that all of them are draggable. So if I were to go over here, you can see that this is the one, and I can click and drag this. So the behavior settings that we change here gets applied to all of them. So you can see that I can individually move out the spheres, the circles right here, and you can see that the physics engine is doing a wonderful job. So you can see that you can really create interesting animations by using this. So you do not need to actually go around and add in keyframes on each and every one of them to work around with this thing. So that is how you can apply dragger for physics behavior inside of Adobe Character Animator. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.